Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about air conditioners from different countries. Rheem from United States, Kelvinator from United States, Voltas from India, Axon from Malaysia, Haier from China, Whirlpool from United States, Electra from Israel, Carrier from United States, Walton from Bangladesh, Damro from Sri Lanka, Blue Star from India, Denpu from Indonesia, LG from South Korea, Mark from India, Lloyd from India, Bosch from Germany, Mitsubishi Electric from Japan, Hisense from China, Samsung from South Korea, Dowlands from Pakistan, Zamil from Saudi Arabia, Toshiba from Japan, Temperzone from New Zealand, Akari from Indonesia, Hachep from Colombia, Retech from Vietnam, Godrej from India, Petra from Jordan, LFB from India, Hitachi from Japan, Pitsos from Greece, Polytron from Indonesia, Sharp from Japan, Koppel from Philippines, Philips from Netherlands, Mabe from Mexico, Kawang from Indonesia, Hyundai from South Korea, Panasonic from Japan, Daewoo from South Korea, Daikin from Japan, Klima Veneta from Italy, Beko from Turkey, Uchida from Indonesia, Actron Air from Australia, Panasonic from Japan, PEL from Pakistan, Amina from Thailand, Gorenje from Slovenia, Viessmann from Germany, Gree from China, Electrolux from Sweden, TCL from China, General from Japan. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to Elite Data for more information.